What comes as a huge setback for Mukesh Ambani's plans to sell his gas transportation business. The gas regulator has asked the government to cancel 4 licenses granted to Ambani's pipeline company. What is the bone of contention and what is Reliance's defense? Supriya Srinath now joins in with the details. Supriya.
So the gas regulator has been saying all along that Reliance's pipeline business, actually it's Mukesh Ambani's pipeline business that has been delayed in implementation and they haven't been laid according to schedule, and which is why it has recommended cancelling of 4 licenses to Oil Ministry. Remember, only Oil Ministry can take a final call on that, but the setback couldn't have come at a worse time for Mukesh Ambani because he wants to exit this business. He's put this business on the block, and we're also given to understand, and even on record, Oil India officials and even GAIL had expressed their interest in becoming a part of this venture, had expressed their interest in buying it. So a setback like this will perhaps not go down too well as far as the sale of this business is concerned. But when you speak to officials in Mukesh Ambani's company, they retort and say that gas availability is a huge issue and there is no point in laying down a venture. There is no point in investing at a time when gas availability remains a cause of concern, because these pipelines, after all, have to distribute gas that comes from KG-D6, and gas production from there has plummeted to about 30 units right now, which is really at an all-time low, and so it makes no sense to invest in those pipelines. But it looks like PNGRB, or the gas regulator that has been stung by the Delhi High Court after IGL, is now chasing Mukesh Ambani and his pipeline business.